How to dispute inaccurate credit report information. Have you ever checked your credit report and found something that just did not seem right? It can be frustrating to see inaccurate information, especially when you are trying to build your credit. Disputing errors is a vital step in improving your credit after hardship. Let's walk through how to tackle this issue effectively. First, you need to get a free copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. You can do this once a year at annualcreditreport.com. Once you have your reports, take your time to review them closely for any mistakes. Look for incorrect account details, payment history, or balances. If you spot an error, the next step is to clearly identify what is wrong. Write down the exact details of the mistake. This will help you when you gather supporting documents. Collect any evidence that backs up your claim, such as payment receipts or bank statements. These documents will be essential in proving that the information is incorrect. Now it is time to write a dispute letter. Your letter should include your full name, address, and contact information. Clearly explain each error and why it is wrong. Make sure to request a correction or removal of the inaccurate information. Attach copies of your supporting documents and highlight the disputed items on a copy of your credit report. When you are ready to send your dispute, you have a few options. You can submit it online, by phone, or by mail. However, mailing your dispute by certified mail with return receipt requested is the best approach. This way, you have proof that your dispute was received, and you can include all your detailed explanations and documentation. In addition to contacting the credit bureau, you should also reach out to the company or lender that reported the incorrect information. Send them a similar dispute letter with your evidence. They are required to investigate and report back to the credit bureau. After you submit your dispute, the credit bureau typically has 30 to 45 days to investigate. They will contact the information provider to verify the accuracy of the information. If the information is found to be incorrect, it must be corrected or removed from your report. Once the investigation is complete, you will receive the results. If your dispute is resolved in your favor, your credit report will be updated. If it is not, you can request that a statement of your dispute be included in your credit file and future reports. For students, keeping your credit report accurate is especially important. Inaccurate negative information can lower your credit score, making it harder to qualify for credit cards or loans. If your dispute involves student loans, be sure to check the loan holder and servicer details. Provide documentation specific to your student loans, as errors can be disputed through both the loan servicer and the credit bureaus. Disputing inaccurate credit report information is a process that involves identifying errors, collecting proof, writing a clear dispute letter, and following up on the investigation results. By taking these steps, you can maintain accurate credit records, which are essential for building good credit over time.